last forever. I don't wanna see you get sick and die. I just wanna spend the afternoon together. Let's take what we have now, not wait for final bows or goodbyes. It's funny how not many people come around now. You say they're busy and they've got things to do. Just a little tiny word can start a stampede. Oh, who needs them anyway, as long as I'm here with you. I lay beside you and hold you in my arms and hope you escape in your dreams. And I don't wanna see the world at last forever. I don't wanna see you get sick and die. I just wanna spend the afternoon together. Let's take what we have now, not wait for final bows or goodbyes. Or goodbyes. You have a dignity that I just can't believe. I'll always miss you and I don't want you to leave me. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm just sitting here with my cup of coffee. Nothing else, we had time for goodbye. My picture of you is old and faded, but I still remember what I saw in your eyes. 'Cause you're still my little flower, and I will never forget. So darling, I don't wanna see your world that lasts forever. I don't wanna see you get sick and die. I just wanna spend the afternoon together. Let's take what we have now, not wait for final bows. said that you'd be mine for all time. For all time. I wake up when it's late at night. I think you're here and it's alright, but you're not there. I dreamt that we went at 14. You were sitting next to me, but you're not there. You're not there, and I love you like your mother does, and I miss you like your father did. You always did.
Microwave link dropping out during this rather heavy storm. Obviously the rain on the path must have attenuated the signal more than they'd expected. And this is the weather situation at Epping at the current time. As you can see, very stormy. We've had terrific thunderstorms, and no wonder the link was dropping out like that.